Okay, expert pro category. So nada doy bandikan. Rai Baitit. Madam Clau nada. Jibilim JC Pineda. So Michelin Rivera, Kimboy and Chano Flores. Muna managaan sa expert pro category. Heroin Lamitan City Basilan flat track competition. Amboy Aparcon and Zilo Leonardo. Start the engine. Wala, gibo yan ah. Whole shot. Kimboy Pineda, the whole shot king.
Sino yung nauna?
Rai Baitit on second, Michelin Rivera on third, Jano Flores. Ayan, bakbakanay. Wow, Rai Baitit, grabe ka power. Grabe kikuwas Kimboy bay outside bay. Rai Baitit na nakauna. Kimboy Pineda, Michelin Rivera, Jano Flores. I think it's Zilo Leonardo. Grabe kagahi Rai bay. Rai bait bay. Zilo ikaw pat. Jano, GB, JC, Ambo and Doy. Yan, was. Hanay to the max sa flat track category. This is the battle of 10 laps. Yan, Rai Baitit bay. Grabe kagahi bay. Ambog na kayo! Yan, Rai Baitit. Kimboy Michi. Chilo ikaw pat. Ikalima Jibilim. Ikaunom Jesse. Ikapito Doy Ambo and Jano Flores. Grabe kagahi Rai Baitit bay.
Grabe flat track bay. Kanda mo'y kurbada.
Wow.
Rai Baitit ang nauna. Okay.
Rai Baitit.
Grabe Rai Baitit. Fight number 1 is wrong. Grabe bakbakan yung
Kimboy Pineda, Michelin Rivera, Zilo Leonardo, ikaw pat. Ayan, battle of 50 Bilim versus Doy Bandigan. Wow! Doy Bandigan on fifth. Rai Baitit. Still Kimboy Pineda and still on the third. It's Michelin Rivera. Zilo Leonardo on fourth. Doy Bandigan, ikalima na. Jibilim, ikaunom. JC and Ambo. Still on the lead, Rai Baitit. Kimboy. Michelin. Zero. Grabe, lakas Rai Baitit. White flag for Rai Baitit. White flag. Rai Baitit, Kimboy Pineda and Michelin Rivera. White flag. Dilo Leonardo.
Isa na yung gano'n si Mitch Red. Mitch. Si Mitch sila.
Doy Bandigan.
Ano ba may lang? Okay, GBM.
Checkered flag, Boy Ray Betit. Checkered flag.
Okay, Sika.
Second, Kimboy Pineda. Third, it's Michelin. And fourth, it's Dilo Leonardo. Checkered flag. Ikalima, it's Doy Bandigan.
Sino to?
GC and Jibilim. Checkered.
Ayun.
Ambo.
Palakpakan natin.